Hi everyone, my name's Amy Mathieson and today I'm going to talk to you about the Victorian-Spirit trial and the process evaluation conducted by myself and colleagues at the University of Manchester. Specifically, I'm going to talk to you about the rapid analysis approach we took to analyse data from patient interviews and its potential use in future health services research. The Victorian-Spirit process evaluation, which explored the implementation of cholesterol-lowering medication, is funded by the NAHR ARC Greater Manchester and is in collaboration with Novartis, Northwest eHealth and Health Innovation Manchester. LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Statin cholesterol-lowering medication are effective and widely used. However, adherence and tolerance to statin is variable. A new treatment for high cholesterol, Inclisiran, has been developed and is one of the first products to be fast-tracked by the NHS Accelerated Access Collaborative. Whereas statins are taken as tablets daily, Inclisiran is administered by injection twice yearly. The safety and efficacy of Inclisiran was evaluated through the Phase 3 Orion clinical development programme. However, future work was required to understand what was needed to support implementation in the real world. The Victorian-Spirit study is a groundbreaking hybrid trial that is examining the real-world delivery of Inclisiran in primary care, in tandem with a streamlined pathway for regulatory approval and technology appraisal by NICE. As part of this trial, we conducted a process evaluation to generate an understanding of its implementation. NICE approval was granted for Inclisiran on the 1st September 2021, and it's been branded as a groundbreaking cholesterol-lowering drug and has been referred to as a game changer in preventing CVD. Here's an image of the treatment, which is a subcutaneous injection. In the context of iterative feedback loops to support real-time policy decision-making, a qualitative approach for the process evaluation was adopted, using rapid analysis to understand the barriers and enablers to the delivery of Inclisiran and to inform wider uptake. The process evaluation explored the views and experiences of those delivering and receiving Inclisiran. It had 3 phases. In the first phases, we conducted telephone interviews with 56 patients who had received the injection. In phase 2, we interviewed professionals involved in its implementation. And in phase 3, we interviewed commissioners. We used a consolidated framework for implementation research, or CIFA, throughout the study to guide and inform data collection and analysis. Health service research and implementation research are increasingly utilising qualitative methods. Typically, stakeholders require rapid results and products, yet compared to quantitative methods, considerable time is required to collect, interpret, and deliver findings. Due to time constraints, traditional qualitative analysis methods are often challenging and sometimes not feasible. A rapid analysis approach for qualitative data has therefore been developed by Hamilton in the US and has since been applied by implementation researchers. Whilst this is different to thematic analysis, it is still a rigorous approach. After reviewing the rapid analysis literature, we developed a process incorporating CIFA. All interviews were audio recorded and later transcribed for future analysis. As you can see on the slide, our approach had 6 steps. The first step involved creating a summary template based on the 5 CIFA domains. We also included space for other observations or unexpected findings and key quotation. The second step involved test driving, refining, and finalising the summary template. We then completed the template soon after each interview using our field notes. The 4th step involved discussing the analysis as a research team. We then transferred the summaries to a matrix. And lastly, we used the summary matrix to inform interim reports. This is the summary template we collected and used for the patient interviews. And as you can see, it's been informed by the 5 domains of CIFA. We found the rapid analysis approach was less time intensive than traditional methods. Rapid analysis findings were robust and provided useful insights into patients' experience of receiving the study treatment. This included patients' experience of arranging and attending Inclisiran appointments and patient acceptability compared to daily statins. Analysis also identified patient barriers, which are mostly related to trial conduct. And this is something that we weren't expecting to find. The findings have been used to inform interim reports, briefings, and presentations for funders, sponsors, and clinical teams. To conclude, compared to traditional qualitative methods, rapid analysis may produce timely results which are trustworthy. Rapid analysis can be particularly useful within studies where there is a need to feed back to stakeholders and adjust implementation strategies accordingly in real time, thus supporting successful implementation efforts and accelerating adoption. Further work is required, however, to compare the rapid analysis approach to traditional qualitative methods with regard to time savings and rigour. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. My email address is on the slide there. And just to say that the views expressed in this presentation are those of the authors and not necessarily those of the NAHR or the Department of Health and Social Care.